Hey, what's going on? My name is Michael with IDB. Welcome back. In this video, I want to talk about the Apple ecosystem and what keeps me in the Apple ecosystem. So pretty much every tech company has an ecosystem, Apple, Samsung, Google, and it's pretty much how all of their products and services work together in one unified system. And in my opinion, Apple has one of the best ecosystems out there. And in this video, I want to talk about the top reasons that keep me using Apple products and that keep me in the Apple ecosystem. So you're probably going to agree with some of these if you use Apple products as well. Let's go ahead and jump in and get started. Okay, so number one is AirDrop. Whenever you hear someone mention the Apple ecosystem, one of the first things on their list is always AirDrop. So AirDrop lives on pretty much every Apple device, and it lets you send and receive pretty much anything. But I'd say the most common thing that people AirDrop is photos and videos. So I'll show you just how quick it is to AirDrop a photo. I'll bring in my other iPhone here. I have a photo open in the AirDrop menu, and if I choose my phone right here, you can see the AirDrop happens in pretty much a second. And that's why most people choose AirDrop instead of iMessage when they want to send a photo or a video. But like I said, AirDrop works with pretty much anything. So I recently had a friend that wanted to give me another person's contact details. And instead of me copying down the name and the phone number and the email, all I had to do was open AirDrop receiving and they AirDropped me the entire contact. So I'll show you that as well. So I have a contact open right here. And if I want to share this contact, I can just click on the share button and then choose AirDrop and then choose my iPhone once again. And as you can see, in like a second, I now have this person's contact details. So AirDrop works incredibly well. And I'm going to give you one more example. So when I record these videos right here, I'm recording it from a microphone into my iPad. And then when I'm done recording, I take the Voice Memos app and I AirDrop that file onto my Mac. So this works pretty well also, and it happens in about a second. Everything with AirDrop happens in about a second, and that's why people love it so much. So in the iPad app for voice memos, when I'm done my recording, all I have to do is click on the recording of my voice memo, AirDrop it over to my Mac, and then I can edit it right away. So AirDrop works for pretty much anything. You can send photos, videos, contacts, voice memos, even files and PDFs. So that is why people love AirDrop so much. It just works so well. And you saw how fast it works here. The speed of it is really what makes it special. And it's something I would be lost without in the Apple ecosystem. Okay, so number two is iMessage. I'm not going to sit here and explain what iMessage is because you probably already know if you're watching this video. One of the first things I like about iMessage is it's end-to-end encrypted. So privacy is built right in with iPhone, as you know. So compared to normal SMS, for example, you don't have to worry about potentially somebody spying on you if you're paranoid. Another thing I like is the typing indicator. So when you send a message to someone and they start typing back, even if you haven't received a reply yet, you're going to get that little indicator on the left-hand side of your screen where your messages come in that the other person is typing. So you're going to know that you're going to get a response very soon. Another feature I like is read receipts. So you can turn this on for your device and you can send a read receipt so the other person that sent a message knows that you read their message. And one other feature I like that appears right below the sent bubbles is delivered notifications. So why is this useful? Well, back in the day of SMS texting when iMessage didn't even exist, when you would send a text in an area that had limited service, sometimes the text wouldn't even go through. So on my iPhone, when I'm in an area with very limited internet or the internet is very slow, the text or the iMessage rather may take a long time to send, but as soon as I see that delivered notification, I know that the message made it off my phone and it made it to the other person's phone. So it's just a bit of reassurance that your message did indeed get sent. Some other fun things that I like inside of iMessage are bubble and screen effects. So if I type out a message here and press on the send button, we have a few bubble effects that you can choose. So the first one is slam. I think this one is my favorite if you want to send something with emotion. This one is called loud if you just want to send something and be crazy. This one is called gentle. I don't think I use this one as much. And then we also have invisible ink. So the more fun ones, in my opinion, are the full screen effects. So this one is called echo. We also have spotlight. And we have balloons. We also have confetti. I think this one is my favorite. I like the way it looks. And we have a heart. And another thing that's really cool with most iPhones these days that have a haptic engine, so that's pretty much any modern iPhone, the iPhone 6S or later, With these animations, the haptic engine or the vibration motor inside the iPhone will react to these animations. So it just kind of brings them to life a little bit more. We also have this one like lasers and then fireworks, and there are a few more in the iPhone as well. So one thing though that is really cool with these full screen effects is some of them can be turned on automatically. So if I type out congratulations, we're gonna get the confetti full screen effect automatically. So as you can see there, it sends and then the confetti effect comes on my screen right away. Also, if I type out happy birthday, just like this, and hit send, we're gonna get the balloon effect as well. So it just makes it a lot more fun, and it's just way better than boring SMS texting. So this is why most people use iMessage. I've read some people won't even message another person if they don't have iMessage. While I wouldn't go this far, I can see why people like it so much. And I don't know if it's something Apple has tested, but I think the look of the blue bubbles definitely looks better than the green bubbles. You can tell me what you think in the comments down below. So next up is how well all of my headphones connect to my Apple devices. So this works if you have any pair of AirPods or any pair of Beats headphones, any modern pair of Beats. So the first thing is, as soon as you open the case and they're nearby your device, they'll just pop up, which is really nice. So there's automatic connection. So you can see here's my AirPods right here. Here are my Beats. If I open the case, you can see it detects them, and the animation and the image is completely different depending on the device, which just kind of adds to the experience. And then I'll open my pair of workout headphones here, the Powerbeats Pro, and you can see they pop up as well. So this uses the Apple H1 chip, which lives inside of each pair of these headphones to allow the headphones to connect way quicker than normal Bluetooth to the iPhone. So with headphones with the H1 chip that work in the Apple ecosystem, you do get some other features. So I'll connect these to my iPhone right here. I'll just take them out of the case. If I open up Bluetooth settings, we can configure these headphones however we want. So first up, you can see the ear tip fit test. So this is pretty cool. So it uses the microphones in the headphones to test the noise canceling capabilities and to see how much audio is leaking out of your ears. So this is just the most Apple thing ever. And when you try it out, it works pretty well. So you can change the fit of these headphones and you can change the tip of these headphones to get a better fit. This also works with AirPods Pro, although I don't have them in this video to show you. There are also other features such as automatic ear detection. So it uses the little sensors here, as you can see this little black dot, to detect when they are in your ears. And right now they are turned off because they know they're sitting on a table and they're not in my head. So this is pretty cool. You can also turn on connect to this iPhone automatically or when last connected to this iPhone. So automatically is pretty cool. So if they are connected to my iPad and I'm watching a video, and then I close my iPad and then I open my iPhone and start playing a video on my phone, I don't have to do a single thing with the headphones. They will just automatically connect to this iPhone and I don't have to fiddle with Bluetooth settings or anything. So that really is what separates these H1 enabled headphones and AirPods from normal Bluetooth headphones, just how well they work within the ecosystem. And probably my favorite feature has to be automatic switching. It's probably the most seamless thing ever. And using headphones has never been easier on my Apple devices. So last up in terms of why I love the Apple ecosystem has to do with accessories available. So when you own an iPhone, you probably have the most selection of cases and different accessories if you browse Amazon, for example. And that's because Apple only makes 4 models of phone. So it makes sense for these accessory makers to design accessories for the iPhone as they only have to make 4 different variations. Whereas if they were designing accessories for a Samsung phone, a Samsung lineup of phones, for example, Samsung makes like 30 or 40 phones that they currently sell. So it just makes more sense for accessory makers to invest in accessories for the iPhone rather than the competition. So when you own an iPhone, you have the most choice of cases and third-party accessories for your device. And lastly, I want to talk about MagSafe because Apple added MagSafe with the iPhone 12 lineup, and this is probably one of my favorite things that Apple has added to the iPhone. So here on my iPhone 13 mini, this is the MagSafe wallet. This is my favorite color combo, honestly. I love this with the 13 mini and the Arizona wallet. Unfortunately, this is a color they no longer sell. I really wish they did. I had to find this on Amazon because my other one got really worn out and I wanted a new one. So with this MagSafe wallet, I feel like it really was made for the mini phones. As you can see, it fits perfectly corner to corner on the phone. And the mini phone itself is so small, and the wallet adds that extra bit of thickness, and it makes it feel way more secure in my hand. So I absolutely love this thing. It attaches via MagSafe, obviously. That's why it's the MagSafe wallet. It's pretty easy to put on. All you have to do, drop it on like that, and it securely goes onto the back of my iPhone. So I love this. There are a ton of other MagSafe accessories though. This one, I'll just show you one more for this video. This is the part of the Anker Mag Go lineup of accessories, I believe. And it's a holder for your phone and also a stand. So it just magnetically attaches onto the back of your iPhone like this. You can slide your finger through the loop and you can use it for extra grip. And then you can also use it to prop up your phone as a stand, just like this. So if you want to watch a video, for example, you can prop up your phone using this. So this is why I love MagSafe, because third-party accessory makers have complete freedom to make whatever they want, and this is such a great accessory. I also use this thing to hook on to gym equipment when I'm working out, so I don't have to put my phone on the ground. This thing is just awesome. And I also have some other MagSafe accessories. So in my car, I have a MagSafe vent mount from Belkin. And on my spin bike out in my basement, I also have a workout mount from Belkin as well. So MagSafe accessories are pretty much endless these days. You can find so many of them online. And let me know in the comments if a separate video on my favorite MagSafe accessories is something that you'd want to see. I think that would be a pretty interesting video. So now I want to hear from you. Was there something in this video I didn't cover? Let me know in the comments down below why you love Apple products and why you love the ecosystem that Apple brings. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to drop a like on this video. Also, check out our other video that we made on iOS 16. I'll have it linked in the corner right now. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Michael with IDB, and I'll see you in the next video.